Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore consistent spacing in Figma using auto layout, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open Figma and create a new frame. Select the frame where you want to apply auto layout. Right-click on the selected frame. From the context menu, choose Add Auto Layout. You will see a new section appear in the Properties panel on the right. Next, adjust the spacing settings in the Auto Layout section. Set the desired spacing between items in the Spacing Between Items input field. You can also adjust padding for the frame if needed. To add elements, click on the plus icon or drag and drop shapes into the frame. Each newly added item will follow the spacing rules you've set. If you want to change the arrangement of items, simply drag them within the frame. To adjust the spacing settings further, revisit the Auto Layout options. You can easily change the direction of the layout to either vertical or horizontal. Select the layout direction that fits your design needs. To remove items, select the element and hit the Delete key. You can also group multiple items together using the same auto layout settings. This will ensure they follow the same spacing rules as other components. If you want even spacing on all sides, set the padding values uniformly. Experiment with different spacings and padding to achieve the desired look. Preview your layout by selecting the frame and clicking the play icon in the upper right. This allows you to see how your changes impact the overall design. Adjust as needed based on your preview feedback. Once satisfied, save your work to preserve the changes you made. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.